said.
I asked him. I was like, who's that
Like,
guy?
why do you keep fucking talking to him,
Yeah,
man?
yeah. And I said to him, who's that guy? He's like, that guy was like comping Eminati everything. Because he went to the bar, he was like, yo, Melissa, whatever Michael wants, make it, put it on the
Well,
house.
slut in the corner, or whatever it's called. Slut in a...
In the
What's
drawer.
it called? Slut in the drawer? No, slut in the...
Cabinet?
Slut in the cup? Slut in the something. She's on Jeff Lewis's show, she said. We don't listen to Andy Cohen's Sirius show's channel anymore because we're off all Bravo. But, so we never ignored Jeff's show. But, because it came on after we started the embargo. But we met this girl who was sitting with Shep Rose because we know Shep because Shep was on, drop that name. Shep was on Watch What Happens Live with us. Drop that name. So we know him. So basically, he came and said hi, and this girl was at his table. The girl was having fun, and I gotta say, poor Shep, and I mean, I've been there. He was wasted. He was not able to.
He was fucked up.
Somebody else told us he was really drunk, and then he told me he was really stoned. So I know what that combination can do. So I think he was just zoning out and couldn't control it. And so anyway, Chef was just sitting there. But this girl was having like so much fun, and she was so into it and being so supportive of, and she was just blatantly ignoring fucking him. But he might have been asking her like, when's it gonna get over? Because at one point I saw him lean in. I heard her say, I don't know, and yell it, and then him say, shh. But so that was what made me look over, was her screaming, I don't know. So I didn't know.
I think she was annoyed by him.
Yeah, she probably was.
He was annoying her. He was being annoying.
Well, she told us she was slut in the corner or something, slut in the drawer, something on Jeff Lewis. We can't remember now. I guess we were fucked up too. But she was super nice. She said she's one of the producers of the show.
Yeah.
So Jeff Lewis's show is going to go there. And we didn't get her info though, which is a bummer. Because she gets 8 comped tickets every time. But anyway, she was cool. And afterward, Frankie Grande said that he came out. It's only their 3rd show. He came out and said, and there was kind of like a lot of little. I would say, there was more little girls there than I was expecting.
There definitely was.
Like I would say at least 15, at least a dozen little girls in little different groups.
Yes.
Which, by the way, is so fucking cute.
Fucking do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fucking bitch.
God is great. It's good.
Stop second 15.
People are crazy. Said I fought too long. God is great. It's good.
Stop
waiting for that to happen. Dad, I've been waiting for that to happen.